tires acquired. Once they're unwrapped, it'll be easier to see, but they're Carnivore 32 by 10 15s. Considerably larger than what is currently on there. Should give us about another 2.5-ish inches, maybe 3 inches of ground clearance. So I'll come over here and get a before and after from when we move it right back here. So poof, and then to that. They are all mounted up now, and holy crap, we picked up 3 inches of ground clearance. So there you have it. The Talon on the Maxxis Carnivores. I don't even see the size. I know it's on there. Right there. Did square, 32 by 10, all the way around. Now she's got some serious height. Way higher. Super pleased.